All right, so we're wrapping up the season. We just pulled the car in. 2021 autocross season is come and gone. Today we're gonna get the race tires off. We're gonna prepare to bring it up to my brother's and get it up on a hoist and kind of figure out what needs a little tune-up and what we want to do for 2022 racing season. So today Wesley's going to use his skills and get these wheels on and off. We'll put the street tires back on, and we look forward to doing the shakedown on probably Friday night or Saturday.
Yep.
Coming up this week. My name's John and welcome to Speed Freaks.
Okay, step one, we're gonna have to roll the tires out, so we need the jack. First step, we're gonna have to get these tires loose. Now it's time to get the jack underneath it. Since we don't have a drill, we're gonna have to just
You want gloves?
use the socket. We're on to the other side.
All right, now on to the lift. All right, so we got the BMW up on the lift, and we're gonna do the shakedown. We got some rattles, some creaks, some exhaust leaks and other stuff. We had to, let's just say, gently massage it onto the
Get it
lift.
on the lift, yeah.
But it's up, and in Minnesota, it's a good thing to be able to get up and underneath this thing and figure out what we're gonna do for the next season.
Yeah.
Something.
So what you seeing in there?
A little bit of wiggle.
Tickets. Did you put the new lower control arm thing on here too?
No, it's the other side. Feel this one, Jace? Subtle.
Yeah. Off camera we did some work and we put a new one of these things. Well, it was this piece. Lower control arm piece that we put on there. And those are our new Coney struts that we put on before season, or in the middle of the season.
So what we know we have is we got some exhaust leak.
Yep.
So we're going to be replacing these with these. So we'll do a before and after comparison and double check that these are the right ones.
Mm-hmm.
So give us a few minutes, we'll get the old ones off and we'll get the new ones side by side.
So this is old versus new. I bet you guys can tell which one's which.
She might have been leaking right about there.
So is this, what was
or
this made out
here.
of?
Same thing. It looked like this a while back.
Oh gosh, did. Well,
Gonna have this ring in it.
let's get it on. So this is the other side. Ugh. That could cause an exhaust leak, you know.
Yeah, it might.
It's just falling apart.
Might not.
But the new one isn't.
All right, we're about ready to wrap it up and drop her down. We've got the downpipe that's closest to the oil pan, double wrapped. We zip tied up some stuff, hoping to get rid of some rattles.
Mm-hmm.
Got the exhaust leak, should be handled. And we're ready to get down and hopefully go for a test drive and not smell exhaust and not have a rattle.
Yep.
So it's been a good day. Thank God for the lift. Made it a lot easier, and we'll see how she goes.
Besides all that not driving, we did have a little bit of fun this weekend. This is going to be the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any other videos, and we'll see you in the next video.